Hi guys, welcome to health cooking class. This week we're going to be making some fun things with our food. We're going to be doing art with our food. And I know I'm down a little so I can see you. When I stand up, you might cut off a little bit of my head, but that's okay. You can still hear me and I want you to see what we're doing. So we're gonna make 3 different kinds each day, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, something with our food art. And then on Thursday, again, we get to see Auntie Katie cook with us. So what we're going to do today, and I want you to learn about this food, right? Why it's good for you, because everything we eat is telling our body to do something. You know, our food talks to our DNA and tells our body what to do. And we want it to tell our body to be healthy, right? Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to take a little cutie, a little tangerine, and just peel it and take it apart so it's in the little sections. And this is going to be our, kind of like our sand. We're making a little island with this, okay, our art. So we're gonna put it on the plate. Let me see. Right here, we're gonna put it on the plate upside down. So we're just gonna layer it like this. Layer it like this. So this is our sand, or our little island with our tangerine. Now, why are oranges or citrus or tangerines good for you? Well, we do know that they are high in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps our immune system fight off disease and sickness. So that's kind of our little layer there, helping us fight off sickness. So we're going to take bananas. And I bought these from the little farm stand down the street. These ones are the apple bananas. You can use any kind of bananas. And I went and I cut up one already and it kind of fell apart. So my suggestion would be that you would maybe put it on the plate first. So I'm putting it on the plate here, right on top of the oranges, and then I'm gonna take my knife and just slice it. Remember, when you're using knives, I know a lot of you know how and you're really good at it, but remember to ask your parents if you can use the knives first, okay? Especially if you're younger. So when we make with the bananas, they're kind of like, we're treating them as if they are a tree trunk, okay? So we're building the tree trunk here with our bananas. Okay, so it's a tree, kind of a long tree trunk right here. So it's coming out of the sand. Now, why are bananas good for you? Well, bananas are full of potassium, and potassium helps regulate your heart. So it gives you kind of a healthy heartbeat, which is important. Very important, right? If your heart stops, then that's no good. So you want it to have a very good, healthy heartbeat. And also it gives you energy. It gives you a lot of energy. I just read that if you eat just 2 bananas, it'll keep you going for an hour and a half. So you could run for an hour and a half, surf, swim, whatever for an hour and a half with just 2 bananas. The reason why it gives you so much energy for a long period of time is because it has equal amounts of sugar and fiber. And what happens is fiber slows down the sugar. So if you eat a candy bar, that's just sugar, right? And so it just spikes your blood sugar and you have tons of energy for a little amount of time, and then you feel kind of yucky and tired after, because there was nothing releasing that sugar slowly. It released all at once and your body used it up, and then it had nothing else in reserve. But with the bananas, it has the sugar is released slowly with the fiber. The fiber lets it go slowly, so you have a long time for your of energy. So that's pretty cool. Then we're going to do some kiwi. Kiwi, I sliced it, so you know the kiwi looks like that. And then I sliced it so it's kind of like little leaves. And I want you just to put about 6 of these slices around your banana, on the top of your banana, because your banana was the stem of the tree, right? And your kiwi is now the leaves. So why kiwi? Kiwi is also very high in vitamin C, which helps our immune system fight off disease. Kiwis are very good for your skin health. They help you get nice skin. And they help your kidneys to be able to flush out all of those toxins and things that are in your body. So kiwi have a lot of different health properties. Actually, all the things, all fruits and vegetables do. If you want to look up the benefits of bananas or the benefits of kiwi, you'll get a long list of at least 10 things that they're good for, that they tell your body, that they help your body with. Remember, food is talking to your body. So, and I got some tomatoes. We grew these in our yard. Do you remember that tomato plant that was growing in the little garden that we have? So these, the tomato plant is doing very well. And these are some I picked this morning. And we're going to pretend that these little tomatoes are coconuts. And we're just going to put them a little bit around here in our tree. Put little wherever you think coconuts would go on your tree. And tomatoes are also, they also have vitamin C. They also have a thing called lycopene. Lycopene helps your heart, right? Helps you have a strong heart. And tomatoes also, if you eat them before you go in the sun, they help prevent you from getting sunburned. And I know there's lots of research lately that maybe tomatoes aren't that good for us, but every fruit and vegetable I feel that God has created for us has something that benefits us. So there's a lot of ideas out there and suggestions. You have to see what works best for your body. But here is our art, our fruit art. And it is all fruit because, you know, tomatoes are also fruit. They have seeds. So our sand and our trees, our bananas and kiwi and tomatoes, and then you can eat your art. Isn't that fun? You could take a picture of it first, or you could make it for someone. And as you're eating it, just remember that not only did you create something beautiful, you made art, but you also are feeding your body some nutrients that it needs to be healthy and strong. So that was fun, huh? Fun food art. And tomorrow we're going to make something else. All right. Have a great day.